everyone! Thanks for dropping by the craft room. If you're working on the Fair Isle style calendar blanket along with us this year, or you're just doing some graph work using spools, you might run into the occasional problem where your spool runs out. What do you do if you've run out of yarn before you've finished with it when you're working graph work? I've run out of yarn with just a few stitches left to go. So I've taken what's left out of my spool, taken my spool aside, and I'm just guesstimating that I need probably only ½ a meter more. But just in case, I've cut myself a little bit less than that. I'm going to take both ends, the short tail and now the new piece. I'm going to put the short ends together, lay the two pieces sideways. I'm going to tie a very simple little knot with both those ends together, and then I'm going to try and keep that knot as close to the end as I can, and then pull very, very tightly because I want that knot to be really, really small. The fun thing about doing knots like this is that the tension on the yarn keeps the knot from wanting to undo. So I feel like that's one of the best ways to tie in your yarn, especially if you're using somewhat soft acrylic like I am. Then you can just go right back to crocheting. I had 4 stitches left to do here. So let's see where that knot shows up. Very, very close. And now I'm just going to hold those little tails down and work over top of them, and they'll disappear. You could leave longer tails if you want more yarn to weave in, or you could cut the end very, very shallow, so like have very, very little tail left right next to the knot. Kind of like if you've ever gotten a ball of yarn from the store and you're unwinding it and there's a knot in the middle. Those knots are usually very, very tiny with very little tail. It just depends on your crochet or knitting style and how much yarn you feel you need in order to make a nice, neat finish. But you can see there's no knot showing on either side of my work. If you still had a lot of color left because you were still going to be using it, then you could just take what was left of that tail, wind it up on that empty spool, clip it, and keep going. We hope you found that little quick tip on tying in a new color while you're doing some graph work helpful, and we'll see you soon here on the Jayda and Stitches show. Until then, stay safe, stay crafty, and have a great day. Bye guys!
Hi everyone, this is Mama in Stitches. Thank you for watching. Here are a few other videos you might enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also click the like button and the bell. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.